quick note, I couldn't verify a real 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring motorhome. It appears to be a fictional or fan-created concept rather than an officially announced Rolls-Royce motorhome. So the script below presents it clearly as a luxury concept, with performance and pricing described as speculative rather than official. Rolls-Royce's real 2026 announcements include the fully electric Project Nightingale coach-built collection, but that is a two-seat motor car, not a motorhome. Content reference OA site 0 index equals 0 writing variant equals document ID equals 58321 inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring motorhome, a name that sounds like it belongs to the absolute pinnacle of luxury travel. But before we step inside, there is one important point to make. The Celestia Grand Touring motorhome is best understood as a fictional or imagined Rolls-Royce-inspired concept, rather than a confirmed production vehicle from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars. With that in mind, let's imagine what this extraordinary machine could be like if it were ever created. From the outside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring motorhome would be designed to make an instant impression. Instead of looking like a conventional campervan, it would combine the imposing presence of a luxury Grand Tourer with the enormous practicality of a high-end motorhome. The body could feature an exceptionally long wheelbase, a sweeping roofline and beautifully sculpted aluminium bodywork, finished in a bespoke two-tone paint scheme selected specifically for each owner. At the front, we could expect a bold interpretation of the iconic Rolls-Royce design language, with a large illuminated grille, slim crystal-style lighting and the famous Spirit of Ecstasy-inspired presence. Every surface would be designed to look clean, elegant, and perfectly proportioned. Large alloy wheels and carefully integrated lighting would complete the sophisticated appearance, while electrically operated steps would make entering the vehicle effortless. But the real story begins when the doors open. Inside, the Celestia would be imagined as a private luxury suite on wheels. The cabin could feature handcrafted leather, natural wood veneers, brushed metal details and soft ambient lighting. Rather than simply providing a place to sleep, the interior would be designed as a complete traveling residence. The main lounge area could offer two large executive-style reclining seats, facing a premium entertainment screen. Opposite them, a luxurious sofa could provide additional seating, while a folding dining table could transform the space into an elegant dining room. The kitchen would be compact but highly sophisticated, with an induction cooking system, integrated refrigerator, premium storage compartments and a concealed coffee station. Everything would be carefully arranged to maximize space without compromising the feeling of luxury. Moving towards the rear, the Celestia could feature a private bedroom with a large, hotel-style bed. The sleeping area might include panoramic windows, adjustable mood lighting and a sophisticated entertainment system. A separate luxury bathroom could feature a rainfall shower, premium fittings, and elegant stone effect surfaces. For long-distance touring, technology would be just as important as comfort. A concept like this could feature a high-speed satellite internet system, advanced navigation, multiple digital displays, automated climate control and an intelligent onboard control system. The driver could potentially control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and privacy settings through a central touchscreen or voice commands. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. Because this is an imagined 2026 concept, there are no official engine specifications, acceleration figures, or top speed figures available. However, if Rolls-Royce were to develop an ultra-luxury electric motorhome in this class, a fully electric powertrain would be a logical possibility, especially considering the company's move towards electric luxury vehicles. In our concept, the Celestia could use a large battery pack powering dual electric motors, providing smooth all-wheel drive and instant torque. the greatest advantage would not necessarily be outright speed. Instead, the focus would be effortless acceleration, near silent cruising and a remarkably smooth driving experience. For a large luxury motorhome, we could imagine performance in the region of 500 to 700 horsepower, depending on the final engineering specification. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour might theoretically take around 7 to 9 seconds, while the top speed could be electronically limited to approximately 100 to 110 miles per hour. These numbers are purely hypothetical and should not be considered official specifications. On the road, the driving experience would be expected to prioritize comfort above all else. A sophisticated air suspension system could constantly adjust the vehicle's ride height and damping, helping the Celestia glide over motorway surfaces and uneven roads. Advanced cameras and sensors could monitor the road ahead, allowing the suspension to prepare for bumps and changes in the surface. Rear-wheel steering could also be included to make such a large motorhome easier to maneuver in tight spaces. And this brings us to our imagined road test. On a motorway, the Celestia would feel less like a traditional camper and more like a luxury private lounge traveling at speed. The electric motors would deliver smooth, immediate power, while the cabin would remain exceptionally quiet. At cruising speed, passengers could comfortably enjoy conversation, music, or a film without the mechanical noise normally associated with large vehicles. On winding country roads, the size of the motorhome would naturally demand a more relaxed approach. This would not be a vehicle designed to attack corners like a sports car. Instead, its strengths would be stability, comfort, and confidence. In urban environments, advanced cameras and parking assistance would become essential. A vehicle of this size could be challenging to position manually, so a sophisticated 360-degree camera system, automated parking technology and rear-wheel steering would be extremely useful. Range would also be a major consideration. If the Celestia were built as a fully electric motorhome, battery capacity would need to be substantial. A theoretical driving range of around 300 to 400 miles could be possible with advanced battery technology, although the actual range would depend heavily on vehicle weight, aerodynamics, weather, and driving conditions. For long-distance touring, fast charging would be essential. An ideal concept could potentially support high-speed DC charging, allowing the vehicle to recover a significant amount of range during a carefully planned motorway stop. Of course, all this luxury would come at a considerable price. Since the Celestia Grand Touring Motorhome is not an officially announced production model, there is no confirmed price. But if a vehicle of this extraordinary specification were ever commissioned as a bespoke, ultra-limited luxury motorhome, the price could theoretically reach several million US, depending on its construction, technology, and level of personalization. A hypothetical starting price of around $5 million could be imagined, with heavily customized examples potentially costing considerably more. Again, this is a speculative estimate, not an official Rolls-Royce price. The most fascinating aspect of a vehicle like the Celestia is the idea behind it. Traditional motorhomes are designed around practicality. Luxury motorhomes add comfort and premium materials. But an imagined Rolls-Royce Celestia would take the concept even further, attempting to create a completely private world that happens to travel with you. Imagine waking up in your own luxury suite, enjoying breakfast in a beautifully designed lounge, traveling hundreds of miles in near silence, and arriving at a new destination without ever giving up the comfort of a five-star hotel. That would be the ultimate purpose of the Celestia Grand Touring Motorhome. It would not be about reaching the destination as quickly as possible. It would be about transforming the journey itself into the destination. So, While the 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring Motorhome remains an imagined concept rather than a confirmed production vehicle, it represents an intriguing vision of what ultra-luxury touring could become. A combination of bespoke craftsmanship, advanced electric technology, first-class comfort, and effortless long-distance travel. And if a machine like this ever became reality, it would certainly redefine what it means to travel in luxury. Title: Inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring Motorhome, the ultimate luxury travel concept. Description: step inside the imagined 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia Grand Touring Motorhome, a breathtaking concept combining ultra-luxury interiors, futuristic electric performance, advanced technology, and five-star travel. Discover its hypothetical features: interior, engine performance, speed, range, road testing experience, and estimated multi-million-dollar price. Keywords: 2026 Rolls-Royce Celestia, Rolls-Royce Motorhome, Luxury Motorhome, Grand Touring Motorhome, Futuristic Motorhome, Electric Motorhome, Luxury RV, Rolls-Royce Concept, Luxury Travel, Premium Motorhome. Hashtags: Rolls-Royce Celestia Luxury Motorhome, Motorhome Luxury RV, Future Cars, Electric Motor.